Hi, this is Vera Pin. Today I will be making a Mexican salad. All right, let's get to it. Hi, today I am making Mexican salad. So right now I'm going to make the sauce. So you need 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, half of dry chili, or you could put more if you would like. And then half salt, black pepper, and cilantro.
Okay. First you make เห็นไหม
So I'm putting in oil, honey, lime juice, dry chili, and salt,
จับข้างบนเลยเดี๋ยวมี6 งานจับฝาอย่างนี้
and then last cilantro. And then mix it together. Until it's all dissolved before I put it in the salad. Okay, so it's okay now.
No, now you need the salad. What you have in the salad?
But before I put this in,
you put on.
So for the salad, I'm using romaine lettuce,
corn, Mexican salad นี่ดี
red kidney beans,
have toหั่น
tomatoes, but you have to slice it and chop it like this.
นี่ไว้ทีหลังnow this is that
Now
mix กัน
I'm gonna put the sauce on top. And I'm gonna mix it all together. Looks good, doesn't it? Yum, yum, yummy, yummy.
I'll เครื่องไว้ข้างบนผัก
So I gotta make sure all the toppings are like on top of the lettuce. So now I'll put in the avocado. And then now for a taste test. The Mexican salad, the romaine lettuce is very fresh and crunchy. And the tomatoes, the red kidney beans with corn, and the avocado is really ripe, so it makes the salad have a creamy taste. And with the dried chili and a bit of sugar, it gives it a spicy, sweet, and with the lime juice gives it a lemony taste. So with a combination of spice, sweet, and lemon taste, it gives the salad a very flavoring taste, which makes it very delicious. So if you're at home, you should try to make this Mexican salad. It is very good. Well, that is it for my video for today, and if you enjoy it, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe for more food videos. Please subscribe for more food videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!